Over the last 3 years, we have been identifying locations that have faced serious water challenges and have taken steps to helping people from these areas get access to safe, clean water. We are committed to this mission, and this is why we have gone and acquired our very own drilling rig that will allow us to drill more wells in more vulnerable communities at a faster rate. Ensuring that young children and women do not have to miss school or walk long journeys just to fetch water. Thank you to our partners, donors, our beacons of hope who continue supporting the Lot Water Project. Let us do more together.